Good evening, guys. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siddharth Roy, and I have around 15 plus years of industry service delivery experience on Windows Server, Microsoft Active Directory, Azure, and virtual server and data center management. I have been associated with many more companies like CMC, HCL, Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro. Currently I'm working in ITC as a senior and infra architect. I also have been associated with 10 years of industrial teaching experience for industrial engineers and development, research and development, as well as resource upskilling. So this is my 11th batch for this year, and this year I'm going to start these Windows Server Active Directory from scratch to advanced. These courses, it's all about the server technologies as well as Active Directory, then Azure Ready, side by side. If you want to interested, then I can provide you Intune, O365, all those stuffs. Not only that, we have a interview mock session, we have a practice session, we have a CV resume skills, CV writing, CV content, everything's included this training programs. These training programs is not just a training, it's a skill adoptions and skill orientation programs. Okay, so guys, let's start. I have started the recording, so requesting everyone for remembering me each classes to start the recording session. Okay, so here first of all let me understand why infrastructure engineer is required, why company hired a server engineer, AD engineer, what is the actually requirement, why there is a many skills in IT infrastructures are there, right? Like software development, DevOps, like network, many skills are there. My question, where is my opportunity and how frequent the opportunity come? Now this opportunity, where this turned on? So these will be the basic effect of before joining this class. People come to me, is there any opportunity in AD Windows? First of all, they have a lot of question about this class and about this training. Then my answer is yes. Guys, in my 15 years experience, I have worked around 9 of the 9 companies, all are MNCs. And trust me, this all are in Kolkata, West Bengal. Now, all of you guys know what is the jobs, job market in Kolkata and West Bengal is very poor. It's very poor. But here, I'm staying last 15 years in 9 companies. So you quite imagine the requirement of this particular subject is very high. High in terms of why? Because many of the people in IT skill doesn't know is there any job opportunities. So I'm requesting everyone from day 1 to day 66, please learn carefully, ask question, understand the concept, do practice, you will be rock. So all the best guys from day 1, and congratulations to start career and select myself as your mentor. So guys, let's understand what is IT infrastructure. IT infrastructure basically it's make you the platform to run down your business. Nowadays, all this business, let's say construction company, let's say oil refineries, let's say manufacturing, let's say FMCG, any product based company, their manufacturing it's now automated. Some are some robotical machineries are doing, somewhere some automated automations are doing. So that means is that everywhere there is a automation to reduce the human error and to reduce the human repetitive jobs. So as a whole, it's totally 100% dependent on such a platform. Which platform? Simple, where this automated software or automated platform works. Now tell me guys one thing. Thousands of software you see in your Play Store or App Store, right? But can you tell me where actually these applications are running? In general, where these applications are running? Either in server, on-prem server or cloud server, right? Either in on-prem server or cloud server. So whenever company published or developed any such application due to do certain their production control, so definitely the application should run on a contain, that means server, either Linux based server or Windows based server. Somewhere it needs server for containing that application. So this is how there is a job opportunity create for each server engineer. Now if the company having 400 application, and the 400 application they need dedicated server, so at least 10 engineers they need to maintain that 400 servers. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Now you can see that opportunity. Where is the opportunity for server engineer? Right? Hello, my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Now, whenever there is a server, there is a network connectivity. That means some infrastructure are there, data centers are there. So it is totally running on the communication. That means flow, right? From source and to destination. From source to destination, there is a flow. Now my question, whenever you are sending any mail to one email address to another email address, how this mail was received? Any idea how this mail is received to your client system? It is received from source to, okay, let's consider you are in Dubai or Saudi and you are sending one gift to your home. Let's say you are sending one gift to your father. How you send? How you send this? Just answer this question, brother. Then only will,
Courier.
yeah.
Yeah, send to courier.
Through you, courier you will send, right?
Yeah.
So whenever you are going to courier office, what exactly you have to tell them? You have to given them source address.
Destination address, source address.
Destination, everything.
You have to given them address, right?
Yes.
Then only your packet will be delivered.
Yes.
If you do not give them address, then your packet will not be delivered, right?
Yes, yes.
So same thing happen whenever the communication traveling from source to destination, it is travel through a IP address. The IP address look like this, right? Now everybody we know, yes, IP address is required. Without IP address, internet will not work, communication will not work, so many things, blah 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 blah, right? But my question,
Yes.
do we know which IP we'll use for general purpose of communication, which IP we use for lab purpose, and which IP we will use for very large scale integration, and which IP will use for small scale integration? Do you know? Answer is no. So this demonstration will tell you end to end of IP connectivity and IP addressing. Why this? Why? Because this is a part of CCNA course, but I have added in your career diet. Why? Because if the funda it's not clear, it will be create a problem whenever we have a practical Active Directory site and subnet. Also in future you are migrate to cloud, then everything there is on cloud and subnet and blocks. Got it? So
Yes.
this is very important. Let's understand the concept. Okay. So we guys, I mean to say, we also learn IP address in our childhood. Whenever we have childhood, in our college days, we have learned what is IP address, subnet mask, right? But trust me, this is very important. It's very important. It is just a revise. What is subnet mask? Okay. So can you guys tell the first question? What is the subnet mask of this? Okay, one more question there. So first question, which class this IP address belongs?
Class A.
Okay. So Sapon, when I ask you, please tell the answer, huh? Or else
Uh,
please silent. Okay, so it is the class A. Perfect. What is the subnet mask?
Subnet mask is a two.
Sapon, when I ask you, tell the answer. Please go on mute. When I ask you, tell Sapon, then you tell the answer.
Yes. Uh,
So what is the subnet mask? Cyril, I'm asking you, what is the subnet mask? Any idea? Rishil, are you there? Rishil, are you there?
Yes, sir. No idea.
Okay, so you don't know
Uh,
about this, right?
yeah.
Okay, perfect. So after demonstrate this, you will have end-to-end
Okay. Okay.
knowledge. Okay, so Sapon, tell me what is the IP address belongs?
Class A.
What is the subnet mask?
255.0.0.0.
No, that is default subnet mask. I'm asking what is the subnet mask of this? You are telling this. This is whatever the things you tell, that is fine. That is perfect. But for this only I understand. What is the subnet mask of this? What is the broadcast?
Broadcast IP is 10.255.255.255.
Perfect. What is the network IP?
Network IP is mm, network.
Okay, how many computer can get IP of this IP range?
Uh, the formula is 2 to the power 8 minus 2.
2 to the power 8. Why?
Because see this computer
No. Anyway, you are wrong. Please go on mute. Let me clear your doubt. Basically, whenever we are writing, so Rishil, this is for you. Please understand from the scratch. This is very important.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
So whenever I ask you, please tell the answer. Don't become silent. I will not be able to understood. So let's say there is a IP address. So whenever we are doing writing any IP address, did we observe it's a how many character? How many octet? 2, 3 and 4, right? There is a 4 octet. That's why we call them IP version 4. So there is a IP version 4 and there is a IP version 6. Clear? Is that clear? There is a IP version 4 and IP version 6. But in
Yes.
general, IP version 6 we not using for general purpose of communication. We use IP version for our day-to-day IP transaction or network transaction. Clear? Got it? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Arey Swapon, I am not asking you.
E-
yes.
I am not asking you, Swapon. Please be quick. When I ask you, then tell the answer. You are a ex-student. This guy is a new. Try to understand. So please keep
Okay.
quiet. Please keep quiet when I ask you. I'll tell you. Tell me the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Rishil, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. IP version the 4 day to day IP transaction, right?
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Clear? Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so now if we are using IP version 4 for general purpose of communication, so definitely we have to allocate these IP version 4 where? In computer, right? Computer, network devices, router. So everywhere their memory will be allocate this IP version 4. Now if they allocate this IP version 4, they will have blocked certain memory space, right? So for your information, if that 4 octet means 4 byte. That means 1 byte, 2 byte, 3 byte and 4 byte. Now the calculation is 1 byte 1 byte equals to 4 bit, right? Sorry, 8 bit. Clear? 1 byte equals to 8 bit. Is that clear?
Yes.
This is the calculation. Don't be forget. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. Now 4 byte is equal to how many bit? 4 byte is equal to how many bit?
32.
32. Okay. So what is the size of my size of the IP address? What is the size of the IP address?
4. 32 byte. 32 byte.
32.
Bit, sorry.
32
Bit.
bits. Right? Perfect. Now let's understand. Let me draw it again. 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 10. This is the IP you are assigning. Let's say any IP address. You are saying 4 octet. 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte, 1 byte. As you know, 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. So it's look like okay. So 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. Then we have to retain it here. Got it? 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. So 4 byte is equal to, it's look like this. Now each byte having certain index number. How look like this? 128, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Got it? This is the index of each bit. Remember. This is the index of each bit. Got my point? Got my point?
Yes.
So as a whole, this IP address, this is how IP address allocate. Now my question, I am reading one IP address here. One 92 dot 168 dot 10 dot 10, right? Now my question, can we made 192 from this table? Can we made 168 from this table? Can we made 10 from this table? Can we make 10 from this table? Can we made it? Yes or no?
Yes.
If yes, then let's say 192, which figure you have to make 192? Let me know. Which figure you want to make 192? Tell me. 128, right? Right? 120. Say something, yeah. If you are silent, how could I understand?
128, 64.
Suppose I am not telling you, brother. You are on different batch. You just see, watch here. This is the new guys. I understood you. Watch the video. Please try to tell them. If they are not telling, I will tell you. আমি তোমাকে বলছি তুমি এখন কথা বলো না, ওদেরকে বলতে দাও, ওরা নতুন তো জিনিসটা শিখুক, ঠিক আছে? যখন প্রয়োজন হবে আমি তোমায় বলতে জিজ্ঞেস করব, বুঝতে পারলে আমার কথা?
Yes.
হ্যাঁ, এবার তুমি তুমি যেখানে বুঝতে পারবে না সেখানে জিজ্ঞেস করো, বাট আমি যখন জিজ্ঞেস করছি তখন তুমি বলো না, আমি জানি তুমি জানো, ওদেরকে বলতে দাও, ঠিক আছে?
Yes.
ওকে ওকে, সো রিশিল,
Yeah.
okay, so tell me how we can
Oh.
create 192.
No idea.
Huh?
One.
Are simple yaar, just add figure here and then tell me which figure you are adding and you are creating 192.
192, 128.
128, so make it 1, then
1, 2.
how you create 192 from this table? I'm just asking, just use your brain.
128.
Huh?
Wait 1 minute.
I am just asking which
Yeah.
figure you are adding and make it 192. Simple, it's a childish question.
Yeah.
Amaresh,
128 plus 30.
Yes, sir. 128 plus 32
Plus
128 plus 32, then
plus 16.
128 plus 32 is 60, then 16, right?
Yes, then 16.
Then
Yeah.
if
Then
you
8.
then 8, okay, then
4.
huh?
Then
4.
184. Oh, 4.
182, 128 to 4.
128 plus 32 plus 16, how much it is? 176 plus 8
Yeah, 177.
plus 8,
1,
How much?
184.
184, 184
Yeah.
plus 4,
Yeah. 188.
please wait, please say the answer correctly.
128 plus 32 plus.
Just a minute, let me copy this properly so that it will be clear your doubt. Okay, might be that picture is wrong, hold on. One 128
Yeah.
plus 32, sorry, 128 64, yes, 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, right? Plus
Okay.
1. Now if you make it here, 1 dot will be here.
Yeah.
It should be a one dot one dot zero dot zero dot zero dot zero dot zero dot zero.
Okay, let me just a minute. Let me draw this. Okay. Now it's very clear, right? It's very clear and prominent. Let me copy that and paste it for entire. Perfect. Now if I want to create 192 from here, let me know which one I have to select. Which one I have to select? How to create
128 plus 64.
Very good. So the figure which will require to create the figure, I will take one only. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Rest of will be 0. Clear?
Yes.
If you want to create 168 from here, how will you
Yeah.
select it? Tell me.
64, 32, 16.
120. If you want to create 168 from there, which one you have to add? Hey, this is a normal mathematics calculation, brother. What I need to say this?
Yeah.
It's simple. How to create 168 from this figure? Tell, brother, tell. It's a simple knowledge. Just simple addition.
128 plus
Okay.
32, right?
Then
Then 8.
1 to 8, 32, right?
Yeah, 32, then 8.
Very good. Then rest of all are 0, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Perfect. Now if you want to make a 10 here, how to do that? Only 10.
No.
Only 10.
8 to
Tell me.
8 into 2. No. 8 2.
So rest of all will be 0, right?
Yeah.
Very good.
Siddhartha,
Yes.
second binary number is wrong.
Which one?
Second, 168.
Uh-huh.
128, 16. The 32.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yes, you are right. You are right. I'll come back. Just a minute. Hold on. Perfect. So if it is here, then 128 and
32.
how we are getting 168?
128.
Huh?
32.
32. Huh?
8.
Perfect. So rest of all are 0, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? কে? আমি এখন নেই গো, আমি এখন বেরিয়েছি একটু। তুমি 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 অরূপদাকে ফোন করে নাও একটু। So 128, 64,
128, 32, 8.
okay? And this will be 0 slash 0 slash 0 slash 0 slash 1 slash 0 1
1,
slash 0.
0. 0.
So these are the figure, you know,
Yeah.
these are the figure you created. This is called binary number. This is called binary number. So whenever you put enter 192.168.10.10 into a computer, okay, got my point? Whenever you are putting 192.160 into a computer make it in binary format. Got it? Computer make it in binary format. Got it? This is how computer understood. So this is actually we call decimal. This is we will call binary. We assign IP in system in 192 in decimal. Computer translate it in binary. Did you know machine language? Anyone listen about machine language? Rishil?
Yes, it's in binary.
Yeah.
Binary.
Basically, it's a binary. It's a game of 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So, is that clear to you?
Yeah.
Is that clear to you?
Yes.
So, instead of Swapon, you speak, please keep quiet. I'm telling you, please keep quiet.
Okay.
I'm asking Rishil and Amresh. Whenever I come back to you, I'll ask you. If you have any question, you can ask. But please, unwanted, don't tell yes.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. So, just a minute, hold on. Okay. So now let's say if anyone given you the IP address is 140.120, if anyone given you IP address 140.120.30.20 like that, how will you translate this? How machine will be translated to binary? Rishil, tell me the answer.
Format.
Huh?
Binary format.
So you forget.
142, 120 down to 30. Oh, sorry.
Please concentrate, I'm telling you, because in IT industry, IT training, it's not so easy. So control
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah,
brain,
yeah.
concentrate, I'm telling you. If you are not concentrating, then don't come this course. This is all about your concentration and
Yeah.
your adaptive behavior is required. A
Okay.
simple thing I'm trying to understand, you are not clearing. So please concentrate. Again, I'm telling you. The guy here,
Okay.
his name is Shapun. He's a just graduate. He's just completed graduation. This guy is
Okay.
there. Got it? So
Okay.
please concentrate.
Okay.
Now, if you want to create 140 from this here, how will you do it?
Okay. Okay. 128.
Okay. So 128, yes. Then
Then 32. Wait, 1 minute.
Arey, you don't know the addition. Simple sum addition I'm asking. Simple.
28 plus
How you create 140 from this list?
128, 60,
128, 16.
16,
Huh? Then
then 4.
120 and 16. How much will come? Can you imagine? No. You don't know the addition, or you are joking. What exactly the problem? I am asking simple. How you create 140 from this list?
Okay, 128, 60, then 4.
Again 128, 16. Arey bhai,
No, sorry.
128 plus 8, how much? 136, and then how much?
4.
So then why you are telling 16?
Sorry.
Are you are not know how to addition, how to addition, subtraction, you don't know.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, it's just, I'm telling you, please concentrate. Okay.
Okay.
So 1000110. This is the binary address of this 140. How will you want make it
Okay.
120?
Okay, 64.
120. So first one is
Yeah, 64.
yes
64,
64.
right?
Huh?
0, 1,
01, then
32,
okay,
16,
okay,
8,
okay. How much? 64, 32. How much? And 64,
60.
30 is 94, 96, 96 and
Yeah,
16.
64, 32,
1,
68, right?
112, 112 and 8, 120.
120.
and rest of will be 0.
Yeah. 0, 0, 0.
Yes.
No, I'm okay, sir.
Now you clear. Now it's clear.
Yeah, yeah, clear. Thank you.
Okay. Now tell me how I can 30 here.
60,
Huh?
16,
Okay. 1 6 then
8 plus 4, 2.
24 28. Very
Yeah.
good. Very good.
Yes. 0, 0.
Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what about 20? How will you create 20?
64, 164. Right?
Hold on. Hold on.
Siddhartha,
Huh?
second binary number 64, 32, 16, 8. Calculation is wrong.
64 32 it's
98.
96.
8.
96.
Yes, sorry, 96.
96 and 16 how much? 122.
Oh,
122
yeah.
plus 8 how much? 20. 120,
Okay,
right?
okay. Oh, it's right.
যোগ বিয়োগ ভুলে গেছো? Okay. So 0 0 0 and then how much? How will you create 20?
60.
Then
64.
Then
0, 0.
very good. Now you understand
Yeah.
how decimal to binary can convert.
Yeah, understand.
If anyone give you the decimal IP, will you able to convert
Yeah.
in binary?
Yeah, I know. Yes, sir. Hello?
Hold on. Okay. So now you understood.
Yes, yes.
Perfect. So this is
Okay.
how decimal to binary works.
Okay.
Perfect. Now this figure, don't forget, this figure is very important for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Now my question, if you added all these part, what will be the value will come? What will be the value will come? If you added 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, how much will come? How much will come?
255.
255.
Yeah.
Very good. So every bits, if you can it's come as 255.
250.
Very good.
255.
Very good. So in this situation, what we tell them, do you know the situation will call broadcasting. This situation will call broadcasting when all the network bits are turned on. That means when the network bit is turned on, then it is the total addition of the each bit. Clear? When
Yeah.
all the network bit is turned on, then it's a additional of the total network subnet. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Everyone, Shapon, is that clear?
Yes,
Dada,
sir.
one thing. If there is a 4 times 255, 255, 255, 255, then is only it's a broadcast IP.
Not the broadcast IP, it's called
No.
broadcast subnet.
Broadcast subnet.
It's called broadcast subnet. That means
Subnet.
whenever my all network bits are turned on, whenever I have my entire network bits are turned on, then we saying it's called a broadcast subnet. Clear? Got my point?
Okay. Okay. Then there is only one broadcast subnet. 255, 255, 255, 255.
There's no, that means this when, and just this is for your information I'm telling you. Got it?
Okay.
Whenever you just added enter the figure, na, the value will come 255.255.255.255. That means my 4 bits, the situation call 4 bit turned on or network turned on. Got my point? Clear?
Okay.
Now, till now, what you understood? What is IP address? How communication work? What is IP address? How decimal to binary, binary to decimal conversion works? Then you understood what is the total number of subnet. If we add, how much figure will come? Till now you are understood, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now, for your information, this entire IP address, day-to-day basis, it's hugely used, like corporate IT, like global internet network, like mobile phone companies, network companies. So during this huge usage of IP address, sometime it will be, outage. That means all IP subnet will be finished. To avoid this scenario, IP, those who inventor, who is inventor? INA, Internet Assigned Number Authority. They develop IP address. Who develop IP address? Internet Assigned Number Authority. It's a US based concern. They developed IP address for the communication. Clear? They segregate this IP address in 4 classes. They segregate this IP address in 4 classes. Got my point? What are the class?
4.
The classes, class A,
Class A, class A, class B, class C.
class B, class C, class D, class E, class F. Sorry, I'm wrong. Class E. Okay. Now in class A, what is the range of IP address? What is the range of IP address? It is telling if your IP address start with 1, then it will be 2, 126.
26.
Right? If your IP address start with 128, then it's 2, 191. Right? If your IP address start with 192 to 223, then it is class C. If your IP address start with 223 to 224, then it is class D. If your IP address start with, sorry, I was wrong. If your IP address start with 224 to 239, then it is class D. If your IP address start with 240 to 254, then it is class E. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Do not forget this range of IP address. What my point?
Dada, what about the 255?
Sorry?
It's a broadcast.
255, when it is 255, that means it's networking broadcast. I am telling you the range. It is not broadcast, it's a range, classes of range. Whenever it is 255, then network bit turned on. Now my question, as you have created that much class A, B, C, D, E, then what is the purpose of create this much of class, right? So here, sorry, Aina is telling class D marking with red, sorry, basically it's used for multicasting. That means mobile company use for SMS sending, right? So it is not used for general purpose of communication. Class E, it is using for secure encrypted message, which is used by any countries that defense organization. Like in India, it's DRDO. Like in US, their Defense Research Academy. So these two, it's not for general purpose of communication. So we have to remove from this list. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Rishil, is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So Mahmood, we have joined, right? What is your name?
Yes.
Okay. So is that clear, right? Kasin.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So okay. Now my question. Then class A, class B, class C. Which one I use for large network? Which one I use for medium network? Which one I use for lab or testing center? That is the main calculation of this IP subnetting. If you understand this, then you are the master of IP address subnetting. Clear?
Yes.
So these are the range you learn. Now let's say structure. According to the range, I now also define the structure of class A, class B and class C. What is the structure? It's telling class A, it will be one network and 3 host, right?
Yes.
Class B, it's telling 2 network and 2 host. Class C is telling 3 network and 3 host. Sorry, I'm wrong. 3 network and one host. Yeah. So why they have defined the structure? Simple. After some time you will understood why they defined this structure. Okay. Now can you guys tell me, whenever I have a network, what will be my address? What will be the value of network? When I say my network bit turned on or network bit, what will be the value? What will be the value?
For which class, sir? For the class A, it should be 255.0.0.0.
Why? First of all, I say one network. Now what is the value of network? Obviously 255. Now whenever you have one network, then it will be put at 255. I don't know the
Yeah.
host value,
250.
always 0. So put it here.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah.
Now, if I say what will be the value of class B?
255.255.0.0, right?
Excellent. Excellent. So, if I say the value of class C, then
255.255.0. 10, right?
perfect. That means these are the things we've called default subnet mask.
Subnet mask.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, as Mahmoud, Mahmoud, right? Basin Mahmoud, right? Your name?
Yeah, Mahmood. Yeah.
Yeah. So, as you have joined late, so I'll just this is a brief introduction of IP subnetting, because this is very important. Whenever you will create the Active Directory large scale integration, it is required you to understand the subnet, because that's what I have added this chapter in the beginning of the training programs. Okay? Because even also in cloud, it is also required you have to have very good idea on IP network subnetting. So till now, what we understood, how communication system work, what are the way communication is delivered from source to destination over the IP, what is the size of IP address, what is the network size, what is the network value, right? What is the classes of IP address, what is the range of IP address, and what is the structure of IP address, and what is the default subnet mask of the each classes, right? Till now, anyone have any doubts? Till now,
No, sir.
anyone have any
Clear.
doubts? Everyone, it's
No,
clear?
sir. I'm
Yes.
okay.
Perfect. So remember one thing, this class it's all about your concept. Until and unless your concept and doubt is clear, don't leave this class. Requesting everyone, please ask question 1,000 times you ask, I will tell you the answer. But don't
Okay.
quit the class without understanding, because you will be lost. I am telling you, if you want to switch to IT infrastructure industry, you need
Yeah.
to train yourself, you need to train your brain with high concentration and
Okay, sir.
entirely logic. Here everything is on logic. Without logic, IT don't works. If you want to shift from non-IT to IT, you will be, please go on mute. Please go on mute. Some background noises are coming. So, if you want to switch to core IT operation team, everything here is in logic and concept. So, there is no emotion, no nothing else. Only logic and techniques and concept. So, each classes, your concept is very important. Perfect. So, now you guys understood what is default subnet, right? Perfect. Now let's say I have a IP address. Oh, okay. So I'm requesting everyone, please take a screenshot of this page, or take a mobile screenshot, whatever you want. Did you take, everyone? Did you take, everyone? Say yes or no.
Yes, done.
Okay, so please tell me now, or else how could I understood? Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's go to paint, and then okay, I have a IP address 192.168.10.10. first of all, I wanted to know what is my network address. How much is my what is my network address?
What is that?
Here network means first, whenever if anyone asks you a question, first you tell them which class this IP address belongs to. Which class this IP address belongs to?
It's class C, class C.
Class C. Very good. So if it is class C, what will be the structure?
25,
Now, what will be the
25,
structure?
0.
Class C, see the structure. I'm not asking default subnet box. I'm asking structure. Structure means 3 network, 1 host.
19. Yes.
So if it is 3 network, 1 host, so my requirement is to understand the network. Very good. So here, as I tell, 3 network, 1 host. So you have to write it down that only. 192.168.10.0. Why?
0.
3 network. So I write the 3 network part only. Host is not required, so I am not taking host. I make it 0. Simple.
Dada, I'm interrupting you. Actually, what is the structure? I mean, I don't understand about the structure.
That's what I told you to take the screenshot.
Yeah, I have taken.
So then why not you tell that answer? I am telling you the structure.
No.
I am telling you the structure. Which class this IP address belong?
C class.
In class C, what is the structure?
Structure. The three network, 1 host.
If it is 3 network, so I have taken 3 network and host is 0.
0.
Clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now if I say the IP address is, okay, don't tell anyone, Risil you will tell. IP address
Okay.
20.20.20.20. What will be my network address? Don't tell anyone, Risil will tell. What is my network address? First of all, tell him which class this IP address belong.
Yeah, 20.20.20.20. One host, one network, 3 hosts, right?
Which class this? Which class this?
255.0.0.0.
First of all, tell me which class this?
Class A.
In class A, what is the network? How much is the network part?
One network, 3 hosts.
Then if it is one network, then
3
20.
hosts. Yeah, 20.0.0.0.
Very good.
Correct?
So
Yeah,
if you have if you have the IP address is 50.50.50.50, then what will be the
Yeah.
network address?
Class A. 50.0.0.0.
Excellent. Perfect. Now you understood?
Yeah.
Let's have a recap what we have done till now. We have understood network communication systems. We have understood
Yes.
IP addressing. We have understood the size of IP addressing. We have understood binary to decimal conversion. We have understood IP classes, IP range, IP structure, default subnet mask, and network address. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So now let's understand, okay, what was the broadcast address? What was the broadcast address?
255.255.255.
That is actually broadcast subnet. Now okay, let's understood scenario. You tell that answer, I will not tell. This is a tower. This is basically a tower. Okay, just a minute, hold on. Okay. Now let's say this is a radio tower. Through this there is a signal, transmitting signal. Okay, through this there is a net signal are transmitting, right? Now there was a radio client or mobile device, those who receive the signal, right? Those who receive the signal. Fine. Sapon, is that clear?
Yes.
Rishil, is that clear?
Yes.
Perfect. Now whenever the devices receive the, first of all the devices are currently on blank. There was a signal transmitting. Now whenever the clients get signal, they are, colors are changing, right? Now my question, who received this signal? Who received this signal? Client device.
Client.
So what was the value then client? What is the value of client? 255.
255, yes.
The value of the signal is 255. That means all these host bits are turned on. All those host bits are turned on, right? Clear?
It's a network bit turned on or
No,
host bit?
host bit turned on.
Okay.
All these host bits are turned on because after receiving the signal, where it is resolving? It is on host,
Sir,
right?
please one again. My network disconnected.
Okay.
30 seconds.
So who's, just tell me your name, okay? Because I will not be able to, who is saying?
Rishil.
Okay, Rishil. So I am telling you, whenever, please go on mute, some background noises are coming. So requesting everyone, whenever you attend the class, now go silent place. Or else what will happen now, whenever you see the video, you will not be able to understand my voice. So many background noise will come and disturb you. So that's I'm telling you, whenever you will sit for this, whenever you join the classes, go for silent place and then learn, so that your concentration will be remain same.
Okay, sir.
So here what I'm telling you, let's say this is a tower, signals are transmitting, let's say radio signal. Now these all are the radio client. These all are the radio client or mobile client. Now this radio client will receive the signal, right? This radio client will receive the signal, right?
Yes.
Now how they receive the signal? Whenever they receive the signal, it will be green. Now whenever the radio will receive the signal, their host value will be, all host value will be turned on, then value will become a 25. Then each value will be become a 25.
25, yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Please understand this concept. After that I am telling you the solution. Now let's say if there is an IP address 10.10.10.10, what will be the broadcast value? Please apply your brain and tell the answer. What will be the broadcast value? First of all, tell me which class this belong? Which class this belongs?
Class A.
Class A. In class A, what is the structure? In class A, what is the
Two five
structure?
five.
255.
255 000.
Ah, no. In class A, I am asking structure, not subnet mask. What is the structure?
10.0.0.0.
No, one network, 3 hosts, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So one network will be remain same. Host will be
3 host.
255,
0.
255, 255. That is the broadcast address. What I say?
Yes, sir.
Whenever I ask it,
255.
that's what I'm telling you, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's say the IP address is 150.130.40.10. What will be the broadcast address of it? First of all, tell me which class this IP address belongs to.
Class B.
B.
Class B.
B. So in what is the structure of
Yeah.
class B?
2 network, 2 host.
So what will be the broadcast address?
250.
10
No,
dot
no,
10, sorry, 150 dot 150 dot
150.130.255 to 55.
Very good. So Cyril, is that clear? Rishi, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. So let's have a recap. We have understood network communication systems. We have understood IP address size. We have understood IP class, subnet mask, range. We have understood network address. We have understood broadcast address. All those stuffs. Right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So let's understood there is a IP range. Let's say I will give you the IP address. Okay. So these are the 3 IP address. Now I wanted to know how many of the host bit of each class of each IP address. How many of the host bit? So first tell me 10.10.10.10. What is the range of it? Sorry, what is the
Class
structure?
A. Class.
What is the structure of it?
1 network, 3 host.
So if it is a 1 network 3 host, so how
Yeah.
much is the host value? 3 host.
255 to 55.
No,
0,
no,
0,
no,
0,
no, no,
0.
no, 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 no.
Host value 1 network.
10.255.255.255.
No, 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 no. Let's understand the concept. Okay, first of all, tell me how many bytes we have. How many bytes we have?
82.
8, 8, 8 and
8.
8.
8.
So if I have it, how many bits of network bit on class A? How much? How much?
24.
24. Very good. Very good. If I say how many it's the host bit, it's at 24. Why? Because this is comes under class A. In class A there is a 3-bit host. Now each bit is equal to 3 byte host. Now each byte is equal to 8 bits, so 3 into 8, 24. Simple, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
If I ask you how many bytes are host bit are here?
16.
16.
173.
Clear? Why?
Yes.
Because 2-bit
No, sir.
network, 2-bit host.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now 8 plus
Okay.
8, 16. Right? Clear?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Now if I tell you this one, how much is the
8.
host bit? 8.
8.
8.
8.
Perfect. Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Now there is a formula. What is the formula? If you wanted to know in a network, in a network range, how many computer will get IP address, then there is a formula. Formula is 2 to the power n
And
minus
A.
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Now what is the n? Value of host
minus
bit.
bit.
Value of
Eight.
host bit.
Oh,
So let's say I am telling you there is a IP address. Let's say there is a IP address 12.12 10.10. What will be the value of n? What will be the value of n?
24.
So 2 to the power 24 minus 2, right?
Yes.
So do you know how much value will come? The value will come 1 crore 67 lakhs 77,214. So if you use class A address, that much of computer can get network address, IP address. So very large scale, whenever we have a very large scale network assignment, we always go with class A address. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's,
Sir, one more again, please.
I am telling
one more,
you,
please.
I am telling you what will be the value of this host bit, of this
Okay.
particular host bit. Tell me.
16, right?
Again 16. Where is your concentration? Which class this IP address belongs to? Which classes this IP address belongs to? Check this note. Check this note. You have taken this.
Yeah, one network, 3 hosts, right?
Ah. So how much is the host bit? How much is the
12
host
dot-
bit?
12.0.0.
Arey bhai, how much is the host bit?
Yeah,
24.
Each bit, each byte, how much bit?
8,
Ah, so how much? So how much bit?
24 bit.
Ah. And now what is the value of n? It's 24, right?
2 to the power.
Now
24 minus 2.
yes.
24 minus 2.
Now 24 minus 2 means 2 to the power 24 minus 2 means 1 crore 67 lakh 77,214. Clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now let's say there is a IP address 140.10.10.10. Now tell me what will be the value of n? How many computer can be allocated here? What will be the value of n? Which class this is? Which class this is? Rishil, which class this is?
Class PB.
Wait 1 minute. Class B.
Ah.
140.
In class B, how much host bit?
16.
Each bit how much?
8 in 8.
8.
8 in 8.
8 plus 8, 16, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So what will be the value of n?
16 minus 2.
Ah. What will be the value? Oh, sorry. What will be the value come? 65,534.
Yes.
That means small scale IP, whenever there is a small scale or medium scale, we can go and start with class B range. Clear?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's say the IP address is 192.168.10.10. What will be the host value? Which class is this?
A,
C
C,
class.
192
It's
C
the
class.
In class C.
3 network, 1 host.
What is the host value?
1 host 8.
8.
8.
8 bit.
So 2 to the power 8 minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
8 minus 2.
What will be the value? Only 254. So now tell me, whenever you have a very large network build, whenever you are creating for large network subnet operation, will you start with class C?
No.
Will you start with
254.
will start with class C?
No.
No, no.
No. Why?
No.
It can give you only
Because small. It's
254.
not enough.
It's a
It's
small.
very small.
That's what class C range we use for lab testing purpose. Class B we use for medium network purpose. Class A we use for very large network purpose. So is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now did anyone ever tell you what is the IP address? This is like you, like me. Does anyone given you this is demonstration like previous? What is IP address? How it's work? So all these practicals in Windows, I have given you the PDF. Each session we will understand this is how. These are the logic we will apply and understand the concept. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now next is, we'll jump to classless inter-domain routing. Classless inter-domain routing. So Sapon, is that clear? Sapon, is that clear?
Okay. Lossless inter.
Sapon, is that clear? Sapon, are you there?
Hello.
Unmute yourself. Sapon, unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah. Is that clear?
তুই এটাতে করছিস সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তো ল্যাপটপটা খুলে তো দিয়ে খুলতে পারতো
Hello.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So so is that clear? I mean, you understand entire concept? Okay. In classless inter-domain routing, what exactly it is? In classless inter-domain routing, what exactly it is? It means, let me copy that skills, which is very important. Okay. I need that value again. I need that value again. Right? Now classless interdomain means whenever one class is full, it will jump to next class. Whenever next class is full, it is jump to next class. Whenever this class is full, it is jump to next class. Got my point? Understand this concept. Again I am saying classless interdomain here means whenever one class is full, it is jumps to next, and whenever it is full, then it is jump next. Whenever it is full, then it is jumps next. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
So that means it is called classless interdomain routing. Perfect. Let's say I have a IP address 10.10.10.0/8 slash 8 means enter the value of this one bit. Enter the value of one bit. So then what will be my subnet? What will be my subnet mask? What is the total value of this byte? Enter byte.
255.
So 255.0.0.0. Right?
Zero. Yeah.
Perfect. Now if the value will be, if there is an IP address, value will be 192.10.10.10 slash 16. What will be my subnet mask? What will be my subnet?
255.0.0.
255.
255.255.0.0, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Whenever it is 24,
Yeah.
what will be the value?
Yeah. 255.0.
Excellent. Very good. The value will be 255.255.255.0.
Zero.
Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Now whenever my value is slash 32, what will be the value of subnet? What will be the value of subnet?
255.
Dot 255, right?
Yeah,
That
yes,
means
sir.
4 times 8. 4 times 8 মানে total valuation and total valuation. This situation we called broadcasting.
Podcast.
Right?
Yes.
Now tell me carefully what I am telling you. There is a IP address 10.10.10.0/9. What will be the subnet? 9. So tell me accordingly.
Yes.
What will be the subnet?
9.
255. Dot.
अरे भाई 9
No, it's
9.
a 255.255.0.0.
अरे भाई slash
No.
9.
255.0.
अरे how come? How come 9? I am telling you. Okay, what is my lowest value of this? Lowest value is 8, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
how much 9? 8 plus 1? 8
Yes.
plus 1?
255.
अरे again why
Dot.
255? 1
8 plus
255 and then 128.
Yes.
What I told, whenever one box is full, it will jump to next.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then it will be 128.0.0. Clear?
No.
Not clear?
Not sir.
Yes. Not clear.
Okay.
Not clear, sir.
So, fine. What I am telling you, what will be the default break value? The default break value is 8. After 8, it cannot be done. It cannot be 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 like that. So 8 is the lowest. Why? Because this is a 8 bits. Got it?
Yes.
So in 9, how many 8 will come? In 9, how many 8 will come? 1 8 and
One.
and
Only
1
1 8.
1 8 and 1 value. That means 8 plus 1, right?
1 8 and 1 2 8.
Okay.
So whenever this go full, it will jump and take one figure from here.
Okay.
And 0 be.
So let's say if the value is 10, then what will be the subnet?
255. Dot.
55.128.
255.128.
0.0.
No. How many 8 will come in 10?
1 8.
1 8 and then value.
Again 128, 64.
Ah, exactly. So what will be the value of 120 and 64? 192, right?
Yes.
Dot 0 dot 0. Clear?
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if the value is 17, if the value is 17, then what will be the subnet?
So 255.255.128.
Ah, very good. Why? Because how many 8 come here?
2.
Ah,
Two.
so
Wait.
so you have to put it here 255.255 then
128.
128.
ah
One.
clear,
Yes, sir.
perfect. Okay, now if it is 27, then what will be the value? If it is 27, what will be the value?
It's a 255.255 dot
255.
How many 8 come here?
38. It's a
Ah, then
255.255.255, then
8.
128,
ah then 3 after 3.
then
So
3. Yeah.
128 plus 60 plus 32. That means 2
Yes.
to 2 to 4.
2 to 4.
Is that clear?
Yes.
So
Yes,
this,
sir.
so this is how we have understood and clear our IP subnetting concept. This is
Okay.
very, very important. Everyone, I'm telling you, this is very,
Okay.
very important to understand the concept. Please go on mute if you are not, if you are in chaos place, please go on mute. Later on, it will be clear. You create a lot of trouble when you are watching the video. Lot of background noises are coming, so please go on silent place, then join. Requesting to everyone. So this is our entire IP subnet demonstration. Is that clear?
Yes. So this what term we use for this domain routing?
Domain routing means basically whenever large scale, did you see which internet connection are using? Which internet connection you are using?
Wishnet.
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 So did you ever Wishnet, did you see whenever their IP will come, it's look like this, slash line, slash 16, slash 15. But this is classless interdomain routing. They will give you the block and subnet. Hold on, just a minute. Hello. কি লিংক পাঠাচ্ছ? আমি বুঝতে পারছি না কি চাইছো বলো তো। এডি অডিটে যাও, আমি নামিয়ে রেখেছি। এডি অডিটে সিটের ভেতরে দেখো দুটো রেকর্ডিং আছে, ওই দুটো নিয়ে পড়ে নাও। এডি অডিটের ভেতরে সিটের ভেতরে দুটো ফোল্ডার আছে, দুটো ভিডিও আছে, ওই দুটো পড়ে নিয়ে নাও। ওকে, ইজ দ্যাট ক্লিয়ার?
Yes, sir. We are talking about the term which we just learned.
So basically this is used by your internet service provider whenever they are assigning you the large scale networking address. Got it? Basically, see, generally this is the part of CCNA syllabus, but I have added you to aware what is IP addressing, because you are the part of server technology. You are the part of server course, but you should know about the IP addressing, because whenever you are in server technology, somewhere you have to understand the network as well. Got my point? So that is why I trained you in this network perspective.
Okay.
So guys, how about your today experience? Is that demonstration it's clear, or you understood, or I have to change anything, or I have to modify my language? What exactly your feedback?
It's a fun, sir.
Yeah, fine. 5 star.
Okay. So if you have any concern that I have to improve my this part like communication, like anything, you please, your
Okay.
feedback is accepted.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Now
Okay,
I
sir.
understood it's quite night. Just give small demonstration how we configure the server. Then we will end this session and I will share you the video to everyone. Okay. So guys, this course is all about the server, Active Directory, cloud. So end to end, we will execute all these practicals. We will do have a mock interview session. We will create resume. All will this we will help and prepare for the interview purpose, and then finally execute whenever interview comes. Okay, it's a rocking. If you are part of my WhatsApp group, because if you join this course, you will be part of my WhatsApp group. In this WhatsApp group, we'll keep on discuss about this is my WhatsApp group, server technology. In this WhatsApp group, we keep on discuss about this task. We will share the notes, job opportunities, and also technology discussion. Okay. So let's understood how we can create server just for your demonstration. So this is the VMware workstation platform. VMware is the virtualization computing data center technology. They have a various product: VMware Virtual, VMware vSphere, VMware Workstation, VMware vCloud Orchestration, VMware Virtual Cloud Orchestration. But this product VMware Workstation for lab testing purpose, for your learning and education. So VMware Workstation, it's available open internet. VMware version 15 you can easily install in your system and download and prepare for your practice. In this here, go to files, new virtual machine, click on next. Here we have a virtual OS library. These all are the ISO image we have mounted. Different operating system we have: Windows 2008, Windows 2012, 19, 16, what's all about. We will learn more about this version and history of the server OS, and as well as client OS, why it is developed, what are the challenges, each and every historical we will learn. Okay. So here I'm creating the server with this OS 2012. Click on next. Here you will just click on blind. So is that clear to everyone? Cyril, is that clear? Everyone, it's clear. Whenever you have a doubt, please ask. Please hold me and ask the question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why we are using here 2012, the server 2012 R2? Is it
2012.
is there? I mean, is there any specific reason, sir?
No, 2012 is very light.
Okay.
2012 is very light, but for your information, I'm telling you, next 1 year 2012 will be expired. Then we have to switch to 2016 or 2019 or 2022. Okay, we will learn, because
Okay.
after next classes we will learn about this entire OS history and OS version. Okay, clear?
Okay, okay.
So here I am using 2012 because it's a lightweight. Instead of 2012 you can install any OS, because I have 2016 also have, 2019 also have, 22 not yet. I will download it. Okay,
But sir, the concept will be the same.
concept will be the same, server concept will be the same, but they have upgrade because of new features added. So we will discuss the feature, we will migrate from lower to high, high to low, all these stuff. Okay, here we will do all kind of L3 activities. Don't worry, you just keep patience, because this course is very long term, and we will entirely will discuss about the day-to-day activity. If you start your career as an Active Directory professional. For your information, Active Directory or domain engineering is very core and niche skills, because it's required everywhere. everywhere it is required. Entire the organization is very demanding is the subject. Without domain, none of the companies is work. Let's say it's a oil refinery or FMCG or IT organization or constructions or any what say fashion designing company, everywhere domain is required, or else company data can hack anytime. So if you have learned these techniques, if you understand these techniques, so your demand is everywhere, let's say in India as well as abroad, or else any Gulf country, Europe country, US, everywhere. It's a niche and unique skills, unique IT skills. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, but why interviewer asking that do you know the cloud? Before it's
Cloud is advanced part. That means, yeah, definitely it's a question why they are asking for cloud, because nowadays everyone wants to reduce their cost. Okay, tell me one thing. Just tell me one thing. Earlier, whenever you have a college life, then that time do you have cycle or do you have bike? What? Do
bike.
whenever you are student, then this time do you have a bike or cycle?
In 10th, 12th, it was cycle.
Why? Because you will travel very short span of time, short area. In short area you can easily run cycle. But whenever you jump to college and then job, then your office distance will be very high. And this very high, you cannot afford cycle everyday basis, right? So to reduce this distance, you need bike, right? But in that means short distance will you continue your bike? You also need cycle. So both cycle and bike it's required, but it is required as per your demand. So nowadays on premises also required, cloud is also required. So company cannot afford all this in traditional data center, or else it will be huge electricity cost, huge maintenance cost, huge engineer salary, everything. They cannot move all their assets to direct cloud. Why? Because here everything is on chargeable basis, hourly basis, minute basis. So they cannot afford everything in cloud. So both on premises and cloud should be there. So it's called hybrid technologies. So both you have to know on premises as well as cloud. If you know on premises, you don't know cloud, your opportunity will be 50%. If you know cloud, do know on premises, your opportunity will be 30%. Because whenever there is a crisis or problem, you have to know well-versed troubleshooting skills from on premises to cloud and cloud to on premises. That's what this course is very important, to understand on premises as well as cloud. Clear?
Yes.
Now everyone, is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm creating one server. This is 01. So when you guys do practice, remember, do not create your server on C drive, create the server on F drive. Okay, click on next, 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 click on next, 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 next. Okay, here how much space you required? You can take it 30 GB, because 30 GB fair enough to install Windows 2012. Now after that, your container was created successfully, background operating system will be installed in background. So this is how you guys do practice. If you need my server for practice, you can do practice, but for that only you guys need any desk. You guys need any desk. Through this any desk, you will connect my server in desk, and I will give you access through this wherever you are in any Gulf countries, you can practice my skills.
Okay.
Okay, so let this server installing and nothing to do. Server installation done means if server after install, server will be created. Meanwhile, let's create the drive where I can give you access for this entire course. So in that case, I have to go to Google Meet. Sorry, not Google Meet, Google Drive. Let me create folder. It is on Tuesday UAE batch, Saudi batch, Tuesday _ Saudi batch, because number of people from Saudi are high, 1 people from India, so the batch name is Saudi. Okay, so let me